Welcome, today in front of me HUAWEI Nova 10 Pro, and I'll show you how to edit notification panel shortcuts on this device. So first, let's open notification panel. If you want to add here some icons or remove some of them or just to change their positions, we should first click on this edit icon, tap to edit switches, and here just hold and drag these icons if you want to change their positions. If you want to add some icons here, some options to notification panel shortcuts, you should just hold and drag this icon to this up section by this way. Just to remove all the icons from your panel, you should by the same way hold and drag them to the down section, and to save the changes just click here to down, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.